Hey, it's Tom from Tom Cruise and coming back at you today. Today we're going to be replacing the rear trunk shock support on the RT of mine. It's just not staying up all the time. It keeps slamming down. So let's take a look, see what we got. All right, this is the heavy-duty shock support got from slingmods. Okay. Looks like it's going to be pretty well straightforward. You just need a T20 and a 5mm socket. Alright, and then what we're going to do, we're going to pull out these two T20s and then go from there. Alright, so let me get the socket for this. And get the socket going, right? This is the T20. Nope, not yet. Alright. Just going to leave them here in the trunk so they don't get misplaced anywhere. Okay, that's there. As you can see, this is the slightest little touch on this and it's falling down. So that's why we're just going to be changing it out. All right. Then all you got to do then is come over here. And slide the seat up. Okay, put that out of the way for now. Alright. Now what you're going to do, once you get the seat off, come over here. There's a little clip that's holding the other shock on. Just pop the clip with a small screwdriver. And this should then pop off. Then you just lift the trunk up all the way so then you can get to this screw or the Allen that's right there. And you're going to take that off. That's your 5mm Allen. Get that out. Okay, you need to save it because you're going to be using it when you put the new one in. All right. Then you got your new shock. Okay, you get it lined back up. Get it on hand tight. You grab your socket again. Get that set up. And tighten it back up. Okay, once you got that tight, you get the bottom strut lined up with the pin, and it just snaps in. There you go. It's no longer loose and falling down. And then you get your seat and put that back on. Where did we put the seat? Seat over here. All right. Now you see there's two clips. On your seat, one hook here, there's another hook here, okay? That gets lined up with here, okay? Gotta close the trunk down a little, okay? And then you just line them up and slide this down. There you go. Now, all right, once you get the seat back in, you need to make sure the holes are there and lined up. And get these screws back in. There it is. And then, where's the other one? Yeah, it's in here. Got them in, you just tighten them up. And There it is. Good. All right. There it is. That's your rear trunk shock replacement. It's not that hard to do. All right, guys, give this a thumbs up, like it, subscribe if you haven't, share it with your friends. And until next time, keep riding.